to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops. What's up, guys? I'm live finally. I know you guys have been waiting for this for quite some time, and मैं live नहीं आ पा रहा था because there was so much going on with my new song Echo. It's finally out in the world. It's doing so well. It's got so much love from you guys. So thank you for all of that. And yeah, I'm so happy to be live with you guys. This is so cool. Okay, some friends have joined. Fan groups have joined. Armanians Nepal, Arman ki haat ki chai. I love that username. Arman_Amal_gang. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? I'm so excited to see you on Instagram. I know my Instagram fans have been like, you've been spending too much time on Twitter. You've been giving those fans too much bhav and not giving us or showing us love. But here I am, and I want to talk to you about so many things. Echo. I mean, Echo is huge for me. It's my first international collaboration. It's finally out there in the world. You guys have given it so much love. I got to collaborate with Eric, who I've wanted to collaborate with since for a long time. We've been talking about doing a collaboration, and it all started off when we exchanged some tweets and we wanted to do a song together, and it finally happened. And then Kashmir, Eric, all of us did a song together. Echo, it's out there. I really don't have the words to describe the collaboration, but it's epic. It's huge for me. I'm so glad it's out there and it's doing what it's doing. Yeah, just grateful for you guys. Y'all have given the song so much love. Wait, can you guys hear me? Someone said that they can't hear my voice. Can you guys hear me? Is my audio fine? I'm doing an Insta live like after so long. Echo is echoing song. Okay, thank you. Arman Malik_loves. It's a dream collab for us. It's a dream collab for me as well. I really looked forward to this. I've been waiting for 8-9 months for this to come out, and finally it's out there and you guys are loving it. Okay, I'm audible. So a few fans have said that yes, you are audible and we can hear you. Okay, so this is sick. I know you guys are waiting for me to sing a few lines of Echo. So guitar idhar hi hai. It's all ready. And I was practicing the song. Lyrics bhi, I was making sure that I don't mess up any lyrics on the live. Yeah, I'm pretty nervous because this is the first time I think I'll be singing Echo live. I mean, I sang a little bit of it on Spaces a few days back, but I'm singing live on Instagram for the first time for you guys. So let's go for it. If we both just surrender and let it go, being with each other is breaking our hearts. Tell me what we're fighting for, and is it really worth the battles? We've been going back and forth like an echo, 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 echo. I heard you, then you hold me close. We get up on the highs and lows. We've been going back and forth like an echo, 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 echo. Yeah. So that was Echo for you guys. Live for the very first time on Instagram for all my fans. I hope you guys enjoyed that. एक ही mistake हुआ lyrics का, so you have to give me points for that. I can't wait to take a few fans live with me. Obviously, I know a lot of you want me to sing a few songs, all my other songs, Hindi, Telugu. It's kind of a ritual for you to forget the lyrics on Instagram lives. Yeah, I think it's a thing now. I mean, it's a tradition. I'm going to follow this tradition of forgetting lyrics. It's no Instagram live is complete without me forgetting my lyrics. But I'm so excited for this new song. Can I marry this part? I hurt you, then you hold me close. Oh, that. Honestly, the lyrics are so hard hitting. I mean, the relatability of these lyrics with everything that's happening in the world, everything that, relationships are going through at this point, it just hits home. It just hits right there. So, yeah, the lyrics are a huge part of why the song is the way it is. When Amal appreciates my songs, I know that I've delivered a good song, because he's a tough nut to crack. I mean, if he says that a piece of music is great, that means it's great. Love you, Amal. Thank you for loving Echo. Pooja, Saini, we are all very proud of you. Thank you so much, Pooja. Lots of love. Let me see who else I can call. Okay, I'm adding another fan page. A lot of fan pages tell me that I don't add them, so I'm adding all of them one by one. Okay, I think they haven't accepted the request. किसी और को add करना पड़ेगा. Okay, wait. Before I add someone else, let me know what are your requests. I have the guitar with me, so we can sing some cool songs, acoustic. So tell me, what do you want to hear? Echo तो सुन लिया आप लोग ने. और क्या सुनना चाहते हो? Please send your requests, comment, and let me know what song you want me to sing. गिटार ट्यून करना important है before I sing. Okay, a lot of people have requested Bol Do Na Zara and Main Rahoon. So I think let's start with Bol Do Na Zara. देखा जब से चेहरा तेरा, मैं तो हफ्तों से सोया नहीं. बोल दो ना जरा, दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. That was Bol Do Na Zara for all the people who requested Bol Do Na Zara, which is, I think, everyone loves that song. So yeah, most highly requested song of mine. I am _ sushi. Okay. Echo is echoing in our hearts and minds. Wow, thank you so much. I'm so glad that everyone's loving Echo so much. I've been keeping it this collaboration a secret for the longest time, and it's finally out there and everyone's listening to it. So yeah, I'm super happy. Um, let's take someone live. Someone's requested Sab Tera. Okay. After taking this person live, I'm going to sing Sab Tera for you. Okay. And that person just declined. Okay. Sab Tera is requested more than twice now. So I think we should sing Sab Tera now. I think this live is becoming a mini concert of sorts. ना जिया जिंदगी एक पल भी तुझसे होके जुदा सुन जरा बिन तेरे मुझसे नाराज था दिल तू मिला है तो है कह रहा मैं तो तेरे रंग में रंग चुका हूँ बस तेरा बन चुका हूँ मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं सब तेरा Amal Malik coming soon. क्या किया है तूने? Our next love anthem. I agree, man. क्या किया है तूने is gonna. I don't know what it's gonna do, but I know it's gonna do something massive because the song is so beautiful and so heart touching. अरे गले में खराश है तो अभी क्या बोलूं मैं? I think let's add Amal. Should we add Amal? Okay, let's add Amal. रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है, एक्सेप्ट कर लो भाई. अरमाल डिवोटी, आगे के लिरिक्स भी गा दो. आगे के लिरिक्स very soon, probably this week, I guess. I think. Amal, I've sent you a request. I don't know if Amal's gotten my request. Arman, Amal, Turkey. Lots of love from Turkey. Lots of love to you. I love all my fans from Turkey. They're so supportive. All our fans, actually. Amal has a separate Amalians from Turkey. I have Armanians, then there's Armalians. Lots of love to everyone. I think Palak was just very nervous. Amal was like, इन दोनों को बात करने दो, मैं जा रहा हूँ. Palak ignored Amal. Caught in a cuff. Echo, echo, echo. अभी वही सुनाई दे रहा है सब जगह. But seriously, before I kind of end this live, I know it's a little late now. Not for me, but for a lot of people on the live. I just want to say I'm so thankful for all my fans, all my Armanians. I'm also thankful for all of Eric's fans, Nam Nation, all of Kashmir's fans. All of them have given our song so much love over the past 2 days. It's just been 2 days, and the kind of love we've received for the song is just massive. Har jagah, I'm just hearing the best things about Echo. And as an artist, I think that's our victory, just hearing that people are loving our song, loving the lyrics, loving what we have done. What really feels like a victory is 3 of us coming together and doing this collaboration, despite being in different time zones, being in different countries and continents. We've made this possible. And I think the message is very strong there. You can make anything happen if you want it to happen. Uh, if you have this drive, this passion for it to happen, and if you're consistent with it, persistent with it, and are also patient, because we had to wait almost 8 to 9 months for this to come out. So respect to everyone, all teams of all the artists who made this happen, and it's such a blessing कि हम लोग ये कर पाए हैं, in during these such times, which I don't know. I mean, it's so crazy what's happening out there in the world, and to be able to make music, to be able to shoot a video, uh, keeping in mind all the safety and COVID restrictions, and yet come up with something that really moves people, that really reaches people. Um, I think it's something so magical and so beautiful. So I'm salute to everyone, all the fans, all the teams. You guys have just taken the song to another level. Thank you so much. Please read the comments, brother. Yes, I will read. I think I just had something that I wanted to say. It was inside of me. मुझे बहुत टाइम से कहना था सबको कि I love you guys and thank you for making this happen. And I want to thank all of us, all the artists जिन्होंने Echo पे काम किया है. When are you gonna collaborate with BTS? That's something that I can't answer yet because I don't know. I would love to. They're amazing artists, but when it happens and how it happens, I don't think I have an answer for that. But I look forward to the day where I can collaborate with them. They're amazing. They're fabulous. I love their music. Malian army, we pyar you. I also pyar you. I pyar everyone on this live chat. Armal's aficionado, thank you for taking India to a global level. Thank you so much. It means a lot. I'm doing whatever I can to kind of change stuff, change how Indian musicians are perceived. I want to break the barriers that have been there for a long time. Armal's devotee, lyrics भूलने वाला part गाया ही नहीं. हाँ तो great ना, मतलब I've escaped that section so that I don't mess up. Okay guys, it's 10:30. It's been an hour with you guys and I'm so happy that I've been able to spend all this time with you. And जो लोग कह रहे थे कि मैं live नहीं आता हूँ इतने frequently, I've finally come. And Echo is doing so well. You guys have given it so much love. This is the first time I'm going live after Echo. Vishal is here. Vishal Mishra. Love Echo. Thank you so much, Vishal. Lots of love to you. लोग कह रहे हैं जाने की बात ना करो, अभी जाना पड़ेगा. हैंडसम को नीचे लेके जाना है मुझे. ड्यूटी है मेरा. So I cannot can on Handsome. He's उसके चीजें बहुत important होती हैं. So but I'm so glad that I could spend an hour with you guys. It's been almost I think it is an hour since I started this live session and इतना मजा आया आप लोग के साथ jam करके, talking to you guys. Keep streaming Echo, keep loving Echo. You know what you have to do. You guys love the song anyway. Keep spreading it. It's my first international collaboration. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है that I've been able to do this during such trying times. I've been able to put a project like this together. I've myself not been okay over the last few months. I think along with everyone in the world. मैं एक गाना डाल पाया हूँ मेरे म्यूजिक के जरिए लोगों तक हीलिंग पहुंचती है. That's a very big thing for me. So I'm really glad that Echo is out there and that you guys are listening to it, loving it, and it's giving you a little bit of peace and love during these times. So yeah, take care. Keep loving Echo. Keep streaming Echo, and keep sharing it with all your all your friends. Keep sharing it to all your friends, family, and everyone you know. And Kya Kiya Hai Toone is going to drop soon as well. So look forward to that as well. Yeah. See you guys. I am gonna go now. Take care. Bye. Good night. अच्छा जाने से पहले लव यू बोलना पड़ता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.